Hello, fellas. So, the problem at hand today is that we are going to solve, or at least try to solve, that the water is dripping into the fridge and it's not coming out of the tray that is beneath. So, this started happening a couple months and was only realized last week when the water started to come out of the fridge. So, let's get started. Okay, so at the back of the fridge, normally what happens is that you have this drain that collects all the condensed water from the freezer side, and that collects in that panel and is collected somewhere here that goes on the back side and then ultimately comes into that tray. So what probably would be happening, I expect, is that something is blocking that excess hole, and that's why the water is, if you see the drain of the water line, that is going down and it's collecting in that lower area of the fridge. So let's get started. I will remove that panel. There are Phillips head screws inside, so that's what we're gonna need. Okay, so it's quite as we expected. So when I remove this this channel, the plus over here, it is supposed to collect the condensed water and then it drips down in this channel. It goes and drops in this region where it goes through this hole and into this small tray-like structure, and then it gets collected on the back side of that hose that comes into that tray downstairs. So it seems pretty probable that this thing is quite clogged. Let's get this thing cleaned and all unclogged. Okay, so if you look at this really seems pretty clogged. Wow, there's a lot of junk. We need to get that out. So what I will use a flathead screwdriver to pop this thing out and then get that small tray cleaned. Okay, so guys, I've taken off the control panel completely. So I've tried to clean a little bit of this small tray, and now I'm using a bottle to add some water and see if the clog got removed. So you can see that there was a lot of clogging that came out of this hose pipe from the backside. So guys, this looks pretty clean compared to what it was before. So I've also checked that putting the water in that small tray makes the water flow out through the drain at the backside without any problems. So since we have already opened this control panel, let's get that cleaned as well. So we have this control panel, or the thermostat control panel. I'm gonna open this all up, rip that apart, get that thing cleaned up, because this is your chance to get this thing cleaned up in and out. You won't be able to do it again because you don't want to open your fridge every day. get this dirty shit cleaned. Oops. Okay, we got this thing cleaned up. Pretty decent, I would say. So let's get the fixtures all fitted back. Okay guys, it seems to me that this bulb is pretty much fused, so I will just still put it here at this point, but I want to replace this with an LED bulb These days we have LED bulbs that have much longer life. And then I'll replace the cover back. There you go. Okay, fellas, so we'll leave this running at full power for a couple hours. I'll be back after maybe 5 hours. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so we are back after almost 5 hours and there seems to be absolutely no drippage or dripping of water down from here. Everything that's coming from up there is going through this channel into that small tray and goes back down and probably into that tray downstairs. So secondly, we also got this inside chamber of this fridge cleaned, so thumbs up. Also guys, if you like what you see, please support me by subscribing to my channel and hit that bell button and thumbs up again. Bye bye.